Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Fuzzy is nuzzling the last item, which is covered in catnip. So when you see that other video, you'll see what came in the mail, and I thank the person who sent it once again. And this is, he's so cute. This is Burgh unboxing. Unfortunately, I don't have a phone to film her playing with this cat item. She's going crazy for it. She really likes it. But the catnip helps. All right, here is Burgh unboxing. Not really a box, and not much in here. This is something I bought because I keep running out of them. And so I got 4 Rayovac AAA batteries. I figure, with the Corona thing and all of that, I always recharge these because for some reason they never seem to have enough charge in them when they first come in. So I always put them in the charger. But for certain devices, I need AAA. Boy, she is going nuts with this thing. And rolling around on the floor, and there she goes, hitting a spoon in the cup. And she's just rolling back and forth. It's so funny. She's so cute. Now she's covered in catnip now. All right, this is George Senda. I have to get up and get my phone. Have a great night. Here are the 4 batteries. These were fairly cheap. I think about $3 or something. But that way I have extra AAAs. So I'm going to pull these out, show you what I use to charge. This is the Rayovac charger. Now, when I bought batteries for this, they gave you this charger. I have several of these. So I'll take these 2 out, which are fully charged, put them in the charging drawer, and then I use these for my flashlight, for one thing. Boy, she's just going nuts. One problem with these, though, the little thing that holds them in get bent, and they don't stay in that well. Oh, that's so funny. So I'm able to do 4 at a time of the AA or the AAA. There they are, and this gets plugged into the power strip. And then I just let it sit all night. And they're charged. They're going to be charged, and then I can have 2 extra batteries. My ultimate goal with these is to have about 20 of them, so I never have to worry about batteries, because these things from Harbor Freight unfortunately take 3 at a time, and I use them a lot because I can't see well, and so I want to make sure I always have some batteries charged. So these flashlights, I keep one by the door, I keep one hanging on a thumbtack by each doorway of the apartment. If the power goes out or something, I can see. And this is what they look like. Now, they have coupons. You can get like 3 or 4 of these for free. Just pay the sales tax, not the batteries. You get the flashlight. The flashlight does come with batteries, but it comes with regular batteries. And I don't like regular batteries. I much rather would save the environment than charge them. I also have one of these in my backpack. So, there it is. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe. Here's another flashlight sitting here. This one, I had to take the batteries out to use it on something. It required AAA. Oh, they're in here. There's only one in here. I didn't realize I took 2 out. I had to cannibalize the batteries. So let's put the batteries in before I quit. Now Fuzzy is done playing mousy, and she's now eating. Okay, 3 batteries in there, and you can see this is really bright. These are fully charged, so that gives me another flashlight. And it's a good deal. Harbor Freight I have a coupon when I go over there next time for funnels, And I use the funnels for various reasons. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. I'll catch you next time, and stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. Stay warm and dry or cool and dry. No wind here in Martinez. It's right now 78 degrees at 7:15 p.m. Bye-bye for now.